TikTok offers three primary ways to save videos for later viewing. Understanding these methods will help you organize and access your saved content efficiently. The first method is Favorites, a private bookmarking system. The second is Downloads, which saves videos directly to your device. The third is Collections, which lets you organize content into custom folders. Let's explore how to access each of these save methods, starting with Favorites. To find your favorites, start by going to your profile. Then tap the menu button with three horizontal lines and select Favorites from the menu options. Now let's look at Downloads, which work differently from Favorites. Downloads save videos directly to your device's camera roll or gallery. However, this only works if the video creator has enabled downloads for their content. Downloaded videos will include the TikTok watermark. Collections offer the most organized way to save TikTok content. Collections are found on your profile's Collections tab. They allow you to organize saved content into custom folders with descriptive names. You can create multiple collections for different topics or interests. There's also an alternative way to access your saved content through TikTok's Settings menu. You can also access favorites and collections through the Settings and Privacy menu. Go to your profile, tap the menu, select Settings and Privacy, then look in the Account section for your saved content options. Now you know all three ways to save TikTok videos and how to access them. Choose the method that best fits your content organization needs. TikTok's save features are constantly evolving with new technologies and improvements. Understanding how to navigate these features and troubleshoot common issues will help you manage your saved content more effectively. TikTok is implementing several exciting trends to improve your saved content experience. AI-powered organization automatically suggests collection categories, cross-platform integration makes sharing easier, and enhanced search helps you find specific saved videos faster. When TikTok's save features aren't working properly, there are several common issues and straightforward solutions you can try. The most common issue is saved videos not appearing in your favorites or collections. Start by checking your internet connection and updating the TikTok app. If that doesn't work, clear your app cache as shown here, or try logging out and back into your account. If your downloaded videos are missing, first check if you have enough storage space on your device. Sometimes creators disable downloads after you've saved a video, or the files might be stored in a specific TikTok folder in your gallery. When collections aren't syncing between devices, ensure you're logged into the same TikTok account everywhere. Check your app permissions to make sure TikTok can access necessary data and verify that data syncing is enabled in your device settings. To get the most out of TikTok's save features, follow these best practices. Organize your saved content regularly by cleaning up old or irrelevant videos monthly. Use strategic naming for your collections with descriptive titles that make sense to you. Finally, stay aware of privacy settings. Understand which collections are private and which might be visible to others. By understanding these troubleshooting steps and best practices, you'll be able to effectively navigate TikTok's evolving save features and maintain a well-organized library of your favorite content across all your devices.